Hello. We're all the way down at the intermediary iteration styles, and essentially it's a form, we've talked about it before as a nested iteration, but I just wanted to see it specifically. So we see that it is using also a function called range. And so for R and range 7 and for C and 5, it's printing all the way through the end by each row. So just like the stars before, but it's printing the numbers. And so that is a for loop is inside another for loop, or it's nested. And the next one is on a coordinate grid. And what's most important here, it is able to print this by simply using, it's like a concatenate function. So it's putting the string together of R and C for row and column. But what I want you to see here is you see 0.0. And so that is the leftmost part of the grid. And this is a classic way of knowing where you are in an array of data, row and column. I'm in row 0 and I'm in position column 0. I'm in row 0 and now I'm in column 1. So that's what that means. And the next two iteration styles, we're going to get more into it. I'm not going to overly explain, but it's why we were doing it's why we're doing this to get to the advanced iteration types, which involve recursion and involved generators. So the generator concept is the easiest to walk away with right now, and it's I'm going to create a function I'm using for I in a range of n, and so whatever we put in for a value of n. However, now it is using that function in another iterative device later on in the code. So these are more advanced, and you just need to be aware of them so you can decipher them, or at least ask the right question to figure it out. So that's going to wrap up this video here, and we'll just go through quickly what the exercises are. Okay.